Underneath the hot Sicilian sun, in late spring, I roam freely, like a little white cloud. My mind soars high, the heart follows, and the soul is comforted. I look at the water that flows out of a fountain, which is swallowed by the earth with joy. In the distance, I observe the blue sea shining like the stars, while the little breeze caresses my face and hair. I savor the sunlight, I contemplate the deep blue sky, and I embrace the world, and I sigh. I turn around and I see a fig tree laden with large figs, all ripe and whole. I pick one of them, and as I take the skin off, my fingertips glide over a soft velvet, tender and delicate. I breathe the smells, and through my breath I swallow the delicate essence that embraced me with its presence. I put it on my lips, I taste it with great care, slowly. I knead it with my tongue, I move it from one side to the other. Its exuberance, the exuberance of its sweetness clothes my soul. It melts like honey in my mouth. I cannot feel it anymore. Now, with my eyes half closed, I sigh at length, remaining in a daze with this ethereal sweetness. In this communion, I lost myself in ecstasy and passion. What marvel! Now I realize that with a large fig from my Sicily, I ate the wind, the water, the earth, the sun, the sea, and the deep blue sky. I ate